Hello friends. Let's learn about capital letters using only one color, pink color. But before this, please share, subscribe and like my channel. So let's start.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cup. D for doll. E for eagle. F for fish. G for grass. H for horse. I for inkpot. J for joker. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for potato. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.